I'm on my knees when I'm begging, cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-da-da-da. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-da-da-da. Cause I'm begging you. Put your love in the hand now, baby.
Hi guys! Naiiyak! Fuck! He doesn't want. Naiiyak! Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Dog. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. I'm on the beach right now. I'm with my baby. Say hi, hi. Hi, hi. Daddy, Ria. So, ano nga ba? What is gonna be my vlog? I'm gonna show you the beach. It's still a beach. There is still a water and sand and the tree. But yeah, it's hot like me. Pinipilit niyo ako mag-vlog. I cannot be vlogging because I'm a busy person. I have a lot of things to do. So guys, now I will teach you how to swim. I don't even know how to swim. I don't know how to swim, so I'm just gonna show you my view. A beautiful view. Me, I'm the view. Char. Just kidding. Ano ba kasi? Hindi. Ba talaga gagawin? I'm gonna show you the Boracay lockdown right now. Oh, that's a Boracay lockdown right now. Oh, you see that? Oh, there's no people. There's no more Korean. Fuck the Korean. So now, I will show you how to swim. But I don't know how to swim. My dog knows how to swim. Look the dog. My dog. Ria knows how to swim, not me. Oh, so I will. It's a doggy lesson right now. Doggy lesson. Swimming doggy lesson. Reason. Ria, stop. Stop! You go there. Oh, she knows how to swim, but not me. I don't know how to swim. I know only how to swim from. Ano ba naman kasi? Bakit yung baka pinag-vlog? I don't know how to vlog. I don't speaking English. Only Tagalog. So, what you want me to do? You want me to vlog? I look like a stupid girl here. Ano ba gagawin ko? Is it my phone? Is it my phone is underwater, Daddy? Waterproof?
Yeah, if you never drop it, it should be.
I didn't drop it. But not the bag.
Where did you forgo?
Huh? I use it now.
I don't know.
I don't know if it's a waterproof.
I wouldn't do it though.
Yeah, me too.
It's not meant for that. It's meant for like
I'm
you can
scared.
keep it on the rain and
Yeah, I'm
like
scared.
plus
I don't gonna drop my phone in the water because I'm scared. Maybe I need to buy new one when I'm done.
constantly somewhere.
No. Is there in the ano?
Yeah, he can go also wandering somewhere.
Yeah, but he doesn't gonna go cause he's scared. Ah! Putang ina mo, doggy ka. Stop, oh. Huh? Are you gonna swim, okay? You leave me, Jaden. Jaden! What is your name? Is your name is Jaden? Oh, ay! Ria! You bad boy. Ria, bad girl. Oh, bad girl. Oh. Ria, bad girl, Ria. Ah! Oh, okay. Swim. But you cannot go to daddy ko. Daddy is... Hindi oh. Alas yan, alas. It's a playing time. Say, it's a playing time, Mama. Oh. Rhea! Hey! Rhea! Call me. Call me. Call Rhea. Call. Oh, why are you singing? Why are you singing? Rhea! Rhea! Ang kulit ng aso namin. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Say hi. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Anyo! He doesn't love me. He doesn't love me. You love only Daddy. There goes. Where's goes, Rhea? Woo! Yay! Swimming. No eating. Just swimming. No eating, playing only. No eating, just playing. Ang ganda ng haircut ng baby ko, no? It's nice haircut. Oh, show your swimming. How you swim? Show how you swim. Show them your swimming pants. You're like Korean right now. Hey. Tangina, hindi ko nga alam paano mag-vlog na eh. I don't know. Ano ba gagawin ko sa vlog? Nagtanong. Ano ba gagawin ko? Hindi ko nga alam eh. Napapagod na ako. Bukas na lang tayo ulit mag-vlog. Ngayon, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano ka-lockdown ang Boracay. Kung maganda pa rin. Kasi kakaano lang, di ba? It's just typhoon here. Rhea is done! It's just typhoon here before, right? It just came the typhoon here before. So the all trees is out from the sand. There are just a tree. Yeah. So yeah, they are just a tree. They are not on the sand. Yeah. But yeah, they are nice still, but not anymore. Rhea! Ayan, she's out now. Get Jaden. Guys, where's Rhea? I show you the tree get out from the sun. Tree without sun. So it's three only. So it's 3. Eh, lag na to. They don't have any more sun. It was supposed to be sun underneath. Rhea! It's supposed to be in the sun, but yeah, it's not. Rhea, come here! Yeah, they are like that. They look like that. So, yeah, like that. So, I don't know anymore what it changed. Rhea! And then sun tree is done. The tree is pulled down. Rhea! Hey, ghost. No ghost. Ghost! No. Ay! Ghost! No. Some tree is pulled down or they need to cut it. So, some tree is not just a... I don't know anymore! I'm not speaking English. I'm not good in English. So, see you tomorrow, guys. This is the end of my vlog. I will go eat now and I will end this vlog. Because there's nothing to vlog. Yo. Tangina. There's nothing to vlog. Okay. Okay, that's all. It's Boracay is shit. Yeah, Boracay is shit. There's no more too much people. Cannot go out because it's locked down. So yeah, it's still the same. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. I will do vlog tomorrow. A day of my life.